In today's video, we're going to be looking at Alt-Tabbing. Alt-Tabbing is a fairly common thing in Windows and has been around for many years. However, most people don't know about it and don't utilize it fully. Let's say I have a window open and I'm taking down information from this website that I need to write in an email. So if I start my email now and have this on full screen, I can use Alt-Tab to switch back and forth between the applications. So if I needed to copy and paste some text, for example, let's say down here, I can quickly press the Alt key and the Tab key once to see all the windows I have open, and the more times I press the Tab key whilst holding the Windows key will decide which window is going to get opened when I release the Windows key. So I want my untitled email, and that's going to open right there, and it allows me to paste my text right into the document. We can also hold the Windows key and click whichever one we like and close these applications too. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.